Hello mga brad, welcome back to my channel. And we are here at Yoyogi Fukumachi Mini Park. It's in part of Shibuya, so it is 20 minutes away from our apartment. For today's video, we are going to see Japan's latest unusual but new attraction, which is the transparent public toilet. Yes, public toilet siya pero transparent, meaning lapos-lapos ang atong pananaw. This is part of an innovative project aimed at changing people's thinking about public toilets, because mostly when we say about public toilets, it means dirty. This is designed by Shibuya architects. So far, the architects have installed two sets of this toilet. One is in Yoyogi Fukumachi Mini Park and the other one is in Harono Ogawa Community Park, which is in Shibuya. There are two things that we worry when we use public toilets. The first one is the cleanliness, and the second one is whether anyone is inside. So they created these toilets with glass walls that allows all users to see through from the outside. Usay makuyawan ta nga mogamit ani kay basta makita ta, no? But using new technology, the foundation said the cubicles glass outer walls turn opaque after the door is locked. So kung mogamit ani, siguradoon gyud nato dili kalimtan nga i-lock gyud ang door kay ug dili kita gyud ang dili angay makita. In my opinion, I think one of the best toilets in the world is in Japan. So let's check the interior. So if we're going to lock the door, all glasses will turn to opaque. So there's a room for privacy still. These are important buttons that we have to remember if you're in Japan. So we have flash here, and these buttons are very useful kung mangilo na ta. So naingon sirit-sirit ana dinha, and we can control the water pressure too. These facilities include a women's toilet, a men's toilet, and a multi-use toilet. So, smart na gid siya kayo nga pagka-toilet, no? May pang-toilet smart. And during at night, they lights up the park like a beautiful lantern. So, unique kasi na siya, dali ra siya makitaan. Although it's night, dili man ka makita kung naka sa sulod. That's it for the video. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos about Japan. Thank you so much. Amping ayo ayo.